In a case that has gripped both South Africa and Zimbabwe, the youngest son of the late Zimbabwean President Robert Mugabe, Balama Chatunga Mugabe, finds himself at the center of a legal storm. What began as a charge of attempted murder is now escalated, with prosecutors adding more charges, including defeating the ends of justice. The state's determination to keep the 28-year-old being behind the bars has shone a spotlight on Mugabe family's controversial history with the South African legal system, particularly the spectre of his mother, Grace Mugabe, and her own dramatic escape from justice in 2017. Chatunga's legal team prepares for a bail hearing. The question on everyone's lips is whether history is about to repeat itself. Sarapina mashoko kudapangwa ine achionekwa kunzi aiwa Chatunga Mugabe has been slapped with more charges in South Africa. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mnamubudanyi kwa mchinzi. Sources close to the investigation speaking to IOL reviewed that additional charges were on the table, defeating the ends of justice and pointing a firearm. The crux of these new charges lies in the elusive nature of the weapon allegedly used in the shooting. Despite extensive searches, including the deployment of the police units and K9 teams to the Hyde Park property, the firearm has yet to be recovered. Gauteng Provincial Police spokesperson Colonel Dimakatso Nevulwe confirmed that the circumstances surrounding the shooting were still a bit sketchy and that preliminary investigations were ongoing. She also noted that cartridges were recovered at the scene, which would form a crucial part of the evidence. The failure to locate the weapon has become a central pillar of the state's case, transforming what might have been a straightforward bail application into a complex legal battle. For the prosecution, the missing firearm is more than just a piece of evidence. It is a strategic advantage. If the police were to find the weapon, it could potentially simplify the case, perhaps even leading to a quicker resolution. However, its absence allows the state to argue that the accused are actively obstructing justice, thereby strengthening the argument against bail. Conversely, for Chatunga's defense, the missing firearm presents a double-edged sword. If it remains unfound, there is a possibility of it technically leading to his release. Yet the current legal maneuver by the state suggests they are determined to prevent such an outcome, using the very absence of the weapon to their advantage. Ndiwo developments aripo situation ya Chatunga Mugabe mamiro ayaita muri Zimbabwe amene kuti anoribuda iri jeri apa Chatunga. Pina comment section medu za funguro enyi moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.